Hello food lovers! Today we're going to make a sweet gourmand Dulce de Leche ice cream, and we're going to give it a fruity kick by adding some dried forest berries. And we're not going to cook our ice cream base this time. This is more an American style ice base. You don't need very much ingredients for this one, and it's very easy to make. I'm going to use 300 grams of dried forest berries. This is a mix of cherries, blackcurrant, blueberries, raspberries, but you know you can choose your own favorite mix. Half a liter of milk, 1 liter of whipping cream, 4 eggs, 500 grams of Dulce de Leche, and half a cup of milk to soak the dried forest berries. As always, you can make this ice cream with or without an ice cream maker. I'll show you how that goes later on. To start, we're going to give the eggs a good whisk, about 2 to 3 minutes, until it becomes fluffy. Here we go. We're going to add the Dulce de Leche, 500 grams, 2 cups. And we're going to give it a good whisk again for about 2 minutes. Give it a little taste test. Very nice, this goes for me. If you want it sweeter, add some more Dulce de Leche. Now we need to get our ice cream base very cold. You can put it in your refrigerator for 1.5 hours, but you also can put it in your freezer, and that's going to take 30 minutes. We're going to add some milk to our forest berries, and we're going to let them soak in the refrigerator for 1 hour. That's going to make them a little bit softer. So after 30 minutes in my freezer, I'm going to give it a good whisk again. I want to get at least 30% of air in my ice cream base. I think 5 minutes will be enough. And now we're ready to make our ice cream. If you don't have an ice cream maker, just follow these steps. I'm going to run my ice cream maker empty for 10 minutes. That's going to get my bucket very cold, because the quicker we change the cream into ice cream, the smaller the ice particles are, the smoother and creamier your ice cream is going to be. Now our bucket is really cold, and we're going to fill it up. And it's a go for 30 minutes. "30 minutes and it's just perfect." Let's give it a little taste test. Look at that. Whoa. So creamy. Amazing. You serve this straight out of the bucket. It is so creamy. So we're going to strain our forest berries, at least a half of it, because I'm going to make another batch. There you go. Now we need to get our ice cream out very quickly. Some forest berries. A little bit more forest berries. Mix the berries through the ice cream. And in the freezer for 2 hours. And it's a go for a second batch. All in all, this recipe is going to give 3 liters of ice cream. I can't help it, guys. I have to taste again now. Here we go. Amazing. Here we go. And here we go again. Sorry guys, but I have to taste this again. Making ice cream is a very hard life.
Very hard life.
So after 2 hours we're going to check it all out. It looks so creamy, beautiful.
Oh yeah.
That looks quite good. Why not a little bit of maple syrup, huh?
Well, well, well.
That looks so delicious, my friends. And this looks even better. Absolutely recommended by me, of course. You really should try this one. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.